Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. Today I'm from RPIIT College Karnal. Today we are going to learn about binary search in C. Here this program searches for a user-defined number, or we can say the item, in an array using binary search. Before starting, what is binary search? Binary search works only on the sorted arrays. It repeatedly divides the search interval in half. It compares the middle element with the item. If equal, we can say it is found. If the item is smaller, it searches the left half. If larger, then it searches the right half. It's much faster than the linear search for large and sorted data. Let's see it in detail. Let's start with this program. Hash include stdio. So this includes the standard input and output functions, which is what printf and scanf. Here, let's see the variable declaration in the main function, that is int a10. Int a10, where the element arrays of the 10 elements, item is the number to be searched, and then in number to be searched, and first, last, mid, and this is first, last, mid. Basically, this is used to define the current search range, and index is for the loop input. Here, array element, array input, where 4 index 0, and then index is less than equal to 9, and index plus plus. Here it reads the 10 integers from the user into the array from using scanf. Then we have, let's move on to the next part. This is what it takes the input for the number, and the user wants to search. Means the user is telling like which enter the element item to be searched. Then let's see the binary search logic, which what we did is first equal to 0, last equal to 9, and do. We are using do mid equal to first plus last divided by 2, because we are basically what we are doing, we have started like initially only we are I explained about it. It repeatedly divides and uh, search the interval in half, and it compares the middle element with the item. So it is dividing by for that reason here. Next one is if a mid equal to item, it means item found, and then else if, that means if it is item found, if else if, it will a mid is less than equal to item, it means that search will be the left hand side, and else it will search it in the right hand side. So here, if item is found, that it displays the index where the item to be found, and if not, it means if the search range become invalid. In that case, the item is not found in the array, and we print the not found. Very important note on binary search, it requires the array to be sorted. The program does not sort, so if the user is unsorted data, the result may be incorrect. Let's run this program. As we know, it is in the sorted. item to be searched is, let's say, 66. Then the place is 0, 1, 2. So this is the sorted array where we found the 66. This is at the found at 2. So this is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.